Hello, fellas. This is uh, Meta Hack again. So we are going to learn uh, how to push our files to the GitHub by using GTBash. So last time we were just talking about Python for beginners, seeing how we can download, install, run Python by using Visual Studio Code, and how we can use CMD to see if our Python is installed to our PC and which version we install. So today we are just going to see how we can push the files. As you seen last time, we were just doing some exercises in Visual Code by using Python, doing some calculations about arithmetic calculations, and just think how we can find a rectangle. I mean, doing searching how we can find the area, things like that. That one, and those files we created and exercises that we were just seeing, we were just using. We are just going to push them to the file to the GitHub account. So let's go together in this, guys. Follow if you want to just keep seeing these videos like this one. Hit subscribe and like, and give us a comment about what you wanna us to make a video about next time. So let's go. We are just, because we wanna save our time, we just asked ChatGPT to help us to push those files to the GitHub account. So we are just going to open our VS Code so that we can use terminal to push. Uh, we will just even see after how we can do it with GTBash. But before GTBash, we are just going to use VS Code terminal to see how we can push the files of the exercises we've been doing to push them to the GitHub account. So first of all, we should be first checking if we are in the directory well, but as you see, we are in the directory of this LXB Python folder that contains those files. So we are not just going to waste our time. We are just next going to see the check if we are in the right place by using dialect. We're just going to type in, oh, I'm sorry, repeat here. We're just going to type dialect and see if we are in the right directory, and we will just find all of the files as we see them here. So our folder contains all the files as you're seeing them here for the exercises we've been doing last time. So after seeing our folders we are in the right place, we're just going to initialize our GT. So we will type GT init. This stands for GT initialization. GT init, we hit enter. Well, we realize that uh, we are in the right place, right? So let's go. We put them together. We stage together all our files as we see here. We just come to we just do the GT add point. We just putting together our files. So next we are just going to commit the changes. So we're just going to give the descriptive commit changes message to our GT. So it is just going to be GT commit /m, and then we add our message as you seeing it here. You see it, and we're just gonna say GT commit. You see it, git commit and slash m, commit slash m, and then we add our message that will be around our file in GitHub. If we open our files, our folder, we will show that comment or just that description. It just says that add Python files. We just add our Python files. We hit enter, and then it shows that our files are already sent, already added, already added in the folder. So now it is ready to push them. So before we push, we are just going to first go to the GitHub and we create the folder, and then before just going to go to the GitHub, and then we create a new repository, and we give a name of that folder. Will be alex slash b dot python. That is going to be our folder, and we will come here and we just make it public. We don't do it private because everyone here can see the the folder and the containing files. We don't do add readme, we don't take this, and we just create the repository. So after the repository created here, we will be having this link. Shows that it's going to help us to add it, to connect it with the VS Code to push it to the GitHub repository. So we will come here, and you see you're just going to do this one. We just say GT remote add origin. We add on our link that is going to connect our VS Code to our GitHub account. We hit enter, and just shows us that it's already there, and then after we just push, because we are already there, it is ready connected, and we are just ready to push. We will just do gt push origin main, and the main is our branch. This is our branch, and our branch is called master, and we're just going to use a master, not main. But if yours is main, you can use gt push origin main. But we're just going to use gt push origin master. Then we hit enter, gt origin push master. We hit enter, and just start to do its job of pushing that folder containing files to the GitHub, and then after it will give us a message that it's done, and we go to our GitHub to check if our folders are already our folder is already sent there, pushed. Let's wait a little bit. Yeah, as you see, we just first tried, and the command was containing error, and I tried another one and shows that my that main is not my branch, and I just tried with master, and now you see it took some time and just showing that all the files are already pushed. So let's run to our GitHub repository that we created and see if our files are already there. As you see, we are in the LXB Python, and just let's see if the files are pushed. Great guys, you see the files are already pushed. If we try to open, we see the basic operations. What that file contains about the mathematic things that we've been trying, like subtraction, division, and things like that one. Let's see if the file is there. Guys, you see all the codes are already there. That's good. So now, congratulations, you know how to push your files to the GitHub account by using Python. By using VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So next time I will be showing how we can do it with Bash. So guys, that was it for today, and thank you for being with me. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one if you find this video helpful. Thank you. God bless you. Ciao ciao.